Hey everybody, Will here with Sigma 3 Survival School, and what you have here before me is kind of making its rounds now, and it's what they call a gap fire. It actually has a Russian or Finnish name that I cannot pronounce. I'm going to show you how to make it, and then we're going to discuss it, so stay tuned. The construction of this fire is quite easy and straightforward, and there are a few different ways to construct this fire. Most show two whole logs stacked on top of one another. I went with the split log method. As always, wood choice is key to any fire. Traditionally, very large logs and hardwoods were used. This is neither, because I didn't want to waste good class material or calories on a simple, short how-to-make video. Once your material is prepared, be sure to use something that keeps the base in place. I use stakes because this is what was traditionally used and shown in particular manuals. This keeps everything together so that the fire burns down evenly. Also make sure you use 2 green sticks or stones, something to place at either end of this fire so that it maintains the gap and the fire burns down also evenly this way. And finally load it up with your available kindling and light it up and let her burn. All right, everybody, now we got all that out of the way, let's put this skill into context. Anytime you watch any skill on YouTube or whatever channel, always put it into context, not just, I'm going to make it just cuz. This has a very specific application. It's not just something you're going to build and hang out by and, and cook your food on top of, because it's really not that great for cooking. But it is really good to get up close to and get warm with, because it radiates a lot of heat out the sides here. Not so much right here. Matter of fact, I put my hand right there. See, it's not even burning my hand at all. All right, so it pushes a lot out this way. And when you study how this fire was used, they used very big logs, typically of a hardwood, and it was used in conjunction with open face shelters or lengthwise in these peak shelters, because there's no flame coming up. You can lay really close next to it and get the benefits of all this heat coming out this way and not losing anything up here. All right, and especially if you put a reflective wall behind one side or the other, you're gonna save much more heat using it this way. All right, so I'm not a huge fan of the fire just because it's useful but not super useful. It's got a purpose. All right, especially if you want to lay between two of these and you're getting baked from both sides, you can do that as well. But I don't know what to say, y'all. If any of y'all have played with this a lot, let me know down in the comments. For me, it was fun making. It was cool to mess around with something I haven't done before, because I'm an old dog trying to learn new tricks. So it is what it is. But you know what? Until next time, stay sharp, stay trained, stay alive. Sigma 3 out. See you next time.